Hello again, and thank you for watching our videos. If you're new to our channel or you haven't watched all of our videos yet, then I'm going to let you know that we do a wide variety of vehicles here. They're not all repair videos, but we do a lot of repairs to other people's vehicles and a lot of filming of show car vehicles, other people's vehicles, but we also do a lot of our own vehicles. We have everything from the Mach 1 Mustang with 351 Cleveland Cobra Jet in it, the Corvette, the Jaguar with the V12. We've got trucks. We've got the van with the 5.4 liter Ford modular engine in it. We've got the Crown Vic. I could go on and on and on. We've even got motorcycles. We've even got a 22-seat bus. Just a wide variety of vehicles. But today, I want to let Carol introduce you to the newest addition to our collection. And it's a hybrid.
Prissy the Prius, and she's still on the dolly today. We had an adventure and a half going to pick her up. See, she's my pretty new car, but this tire on the dolly just disintegrated. And we were somewhere around the Tennessee-Alabama line. I don't know exactly where because I was confused. And this happened. You see, all of the tread and everything came off of this tire. And it was just horrible. It made a horrible sound. And it was just incredible. I didn't know what to do. I was so scared because he was on the side of the road trying to fix this part. This part, all of this was up here. And you see down in here, that's broken. All of that happened when he was driving. And it didn't, luckily, all of that tread got away from the car and didn't hurt any part of the car. Now, and we tried to get to Walmart. It was like 6 miles to Walmart, and we were just going 20 miles an hour. It was just scary. It was incredible. And nothing happened to the car except after we got the tire changed. I'll tell you about that in a minute. This part did a little scratching here. When we turned. But luckily it wasn't there was not any other damage on Prissy. Now, we went to Walmart to get a tire. It was about 6 miles from where we were at. And they turned us down. They said they couldn't sell us a tire because it was on a dough dolly. And Victor begged them, but they didn't even want to listen. So a good Samaritan helped us get to the tractor supply company and helped us find a tire that would fit. And luckily Victor got to put it on and change the whole tire. Now, we're going to get the same kind of tire. We're going to order it off the internet, the same kind of tire for the other side. And that way we'll always have a spare. But as you can see, we've got Prissy the Prius home. And she needs a bath. She's kind of dirty and she smells like somebody's old dog, but you know, I got a nickel over there, so that's a good thing. But yeah, she needs cleaning up pretty badly. And I think Victor's going to have quite a few videos about the Prius. Changing transmission fluid, oil change, cleaning her up. Boy, I wish Fab Automotive Detailing was here. And he's also going to have videos on other vehicles that we have. He'll tell you all about those in a little bit. But right now, I just want you to look at Chrissy the Prius. There's going to be lots of repair videos coming on the Ford E250. The Crown Vic is really dirty, and we're going to show some cleaning videos, and we're going to show you all about the products we use. With the Prius here, we can give Cammie a break and do some much needed maintenance and fixing on her as well. We're going to have a lot of videos on cleaning, maintenance and fixing on the Mach 1 and the V12 Jaguar and the Corvette back there. I don't know if you can see it all the way back there, but there's a Corvette underneath all that. And Victor always says, get off the couch and get dirty. Well, I say, stay clean and pay somebody.
Don't do anything I do in my videos, and don't even do anything I talk about in my videos.
Welcome to Saneauto. We're so glad you're here. We don't just do repairs and tool reviews.
Bienvenida a Saneauto. Nosotros no solamente hacemos reparaciones de autos.
We also film hot rods and mod rods, project cars, classic cars, antiques.
Nosotros también filmea autos antiguos, mod rods, hot rods, cualquiera.
We also like to take you with us to the car shows and the cruise-ins, so make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss anything.
Me gustaría llevarte con nosotros a los cruise-ins y car shows. Entonces, empuja ese botón y toca de campaña para que no pierda nada.
Hello!